our 168-inch canopy kitchen hood. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 168 inches, 14 feet. A height, 24 inches. Of 47¼ inches tall. Coming to the interior of the hood, we have 168 inches in length and a depth measuring 30 inches. Included will be 10 removable oil grease trap filters. Each grease trap filter can be removed from its track and reinserted into the frame. Measurements for the oil filter grease trap will include 15 3/4 inches in length, also by 15 3/4 inches in height. The thickness of the grease trap will be 1 3/4 inches in thickness. Located on the side will be the NSF certification and is compliant with the American Health Department. This applies for every single grease trap that will be included with the hoods that we sell. On the top center will be 4 light bulbs. Each light bulb will be NSF and UL certified with the certification located on each sticker. Located on the left and right bottom columns will be the removable oil pans. Each oil pan can be removed and reinserted onto the 2 bolts holding each pan. Each oil pan is NSF approved, stamped located in the back of the pan. And for the dimensions for the interior of the pan will include 3 7/16 in length, 6 1/8 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for every single pan that will be included for the hoods that we sell. Coming to the back of the hood are 4 lamp bases. Each lamp base holds the light bulb located on the other side of the hood. Each lamp base will measure 3 3/4 inches in length by 3 3/4 inches in height. Each lamp base are held by 2 screws holding the brackets that can be removed, and within each lamp base are the wires for each light bulb. Coming to the bottom will be the 2 air gaps. Each air gap will measure 30 inches in length, 12 inches in height. With the interior dimensions, we have measurements of 28 inches in length by 10 inches in height and a thickness of 4 inches. Between each lamp base are 5 different columns. Each column will measure 31 inches in length by 9 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right furthest column, with the bottom column measuring 31 inches in length by 15 3/4 inches in height. Measurements apply for the lowest left and right column. The second left column will measure 28 inches in length by 9 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right second furthest column. Measurements for the bottom column will include 28 inches in length. Last but not least, measurements for the center column, we have 28 inches in length, also by 9 inches in height. Coming to the top and bottom of the hood are 1, 2, 3, and 4 brackets. Each bracket will include 2.5 inches in length by 2.5 inches in height. And the width for each will be 3 inches. Measurements apply for each of the 8 brackets located on the top and bottom of the hood. Coming to the top right corner is the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.